Let's start with another session. Organizational Breakdown Structure or OBS in Primavera P6. OBS, Organizational Breakdown Structure, in Primavera P6 is a hierarchical structure that represents the managers, departments, or individuals responsible for projects within an organization. It defines who is responsible for what in the organization. To access the OBS window, go to the Enterprise menu and select OBS. Similar to the Enterprise Project Structure, EPS, the OBS in the sample database is already pre-configured with several organizational units and responsible managers. First, we will replace the default Enterprise node with our company name, for example, NPCC. You can see predefined departments such as engineering, manufacturing, product development, corporate, energy, and IT. Since these are sample data, we will customize the OBS according to our organization's requirements. Next, we will create a new OBS node called Pharmaceutical Division. Just like EPS, OBS allows us to create additional nodes and subnodes to represent our organizational hierarchy. Under the Pharmaceutical Division, we will create two subunits: Southern Unit, Northern Unit. For each unit, we can assign a responsible manager or representative. These managers will be responsible for the projects assigned under their respective organizational units. If the OBS nodes are not displayed in the desired sequence, we can rearrange them using the Move Up and Move Down arrow buttons. Additionally, similar to EPS, the OBS structure can be sorted in ascending, descending, or hierarchical order. For better visualization, Primavera P6 provides a chart view option. By selecting Chart View, we can see the OBS structure in a graphical format. The chart layout can be modified according to our preference. However, in most cases, the horizontal view provides a clearer representation of the organizational hierarchy. Now, let us see how to assign OBS elements to EPS nodes and projects. Open the Projects window and select the required EPS level or the project. For example, if the project LOB1 is currently assigned to the LOB1 manager, and we need to change the responsible manager, simply click the three-dot button in the Responsible Manager field and select the appropriate OBS node. Similarly, we can assign the Pharmaceutical Business Unit to the Pharma Manager, the Northern Business Unit to the Northern Division Manager, the Southern Business Unit to the Southern Division Manager. At any stage, if there is a need to change the responsible manager, open the Projects window and update the responsible manager accordingly. For example, here we are going to change one responsible manager from the sublevel of corporate level EPS node. For that, open the project and revise with the appropriate manager or responsible peron. To view the responsible person details EPS node-wise, go to the OBS structure and open Responsibility tab. And select the EPS element to see the details according to the requirement. Apart from assigning responsibility, Primavera P6 also allows us to maintain additional information. Under the General tab of the project details, we can enter descriptions or notes related to the OBS assignment.